Hey folks, welcome back to another video on the channel. My name is Harsh and in this video I am going to tell you about a free machine learning course that was recently launched by Microsoft. So Microsoft recently launched a MIT approved learning course which is titled Machine Learning for Beginners, which is designed to teach students the basic of machine learning in 12 months. This course is having pre-post quizzes, video lectures, knowledge checks, infographics, sketch notes and assignments to help students learn and practice their machine learning skills. The course has been put together by Azure Cloud Advocates, Microsoft Student Ambassador authors, contributors, and some reviewers, and it aims to teach machine learning using scikit-learn as a resource library. The curriculum covers reinforcement learning, natural language processing, time series forecasting, clustering, regression, classification, with hands-on practical lessons to teach how to use the models inside web applications. You can have a full look at the curriculum through the link given in the description. Student can use this curriculum by forking the entire repo to their GitHub account and completing the exercises. You can follow this path. Start with a pre-lecture quiz, read the lecture and complete the activities, pause and reflect each of the knowledge checks which are given. Try to create the projects by comprehending the lessons rather than running the solution code. However, the code is available in the solutions folder in each project-oriented lesson. Take the post-lecture quiz, complete the challenge, complete the assignments, and once you have completed the assignment or the lesson, you can visit the discussion board to discuss about the things. Hope you got to know something new from this video. Comment down below after taking the course so that others could also know how the course is. Share this video with the people who want to learn machine learning but are confused about where to start. Also subscribe to the channel to get updated about the latest videos being posted regularly. So this was it for this video. I'll see you in the next one.